Good morning, students. So, let's continue the same chapter, that is chapter 3. Okay, till now I explained you wealth, till wealth. Okay, now today I am going to explain you welfare, meaning of welfare. Okay, so welfare बहुत बार सुना होगा तुम लोगों ने, welfare, human welfare. Okay, so basically welfare means well-being of a person or a society, right? So that is welfare. Okay, welfare is a concept of economic which is used by the government, which plays a key role in protection, basically in protection and promotion of social and economic well-being of its citizen, right? So it is a concept of economics, basically a concept economics का which is used for the person or a citizen of a country for their protection and promotion. Okay, किसी society में अगर the people are there, if they are satisfied, if they are happy, then that is, we consider that yes, human welfare is there. For example, in the present scenario, okay, everybody is staying at home, सब घर पे रह रहे हैं, but somewhere you are not satisfied because you have not got the freedom, okay, to go anywhere. Freedom नहीं मिली है, okay, for some time it is prohibited. So welfare means the well-being, कि एक society कितनी अच्छे से है, what is the standard of living, what is the ratio of poverty, what is the employment ratio. Okay, all these is considered under welfare of a society. So well-being of the society is referred as a welfare. Okay, basically wealth में क्या था, you can measure the wealth in terms of money को में हम wealth को measure कर सकते थे, but in case of welfare we cannot measure the welfare in terms of money. We cannot, हम welfare को money में measure कर ही नहीं सकते. Okay, for example it's there that कि अगर कोई country है, it's developed country, for example your America, China, okay, they are developed country, but the people of that country is not happy, not satisfied. Okay, so we will say that yes, human welfare is not good enough there. Okay, so human welfare depends on environment, law and order, social relation, degree of freedom. So all these are the some important components of your welfare. ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी हैं ये welfare के लिए, society के welfare के लिए या human welfare के. environment कैसा है वहाँ का, उस society का, उस nation का, right? freedom कितनी है, okay? law and orders कैसे हैं, okay? so all these is under the welfare. Wealth is means for the man's welfare. Wealth क्या है? It's a means, एक माध्यम है through which we fulfill our desires. For example, if you have money, तो money है आपके पास, house है, car है, all will be under your wealth. Wealth में है, but if you are getting the satisfaction from that, आपकी living standard बढ़ रहा है, so all will be under your welfare. So wealth is a means, एक means है, जरिया है, okay, for the man's welfare. अब man's welfare कैसे possible होगा? when there is a equal distribution of income in the society, equality should be there. okay, अगर ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, then only we will consider that yes, human welfare is there or welfare is. okay, so basically when in any society or in any economy, if wealth increases, then welfare will also increase. We can say that there is a direct relationship between wealth and welfare. If your wealth will increase, automatically your welfare will also increase. So there is a direct relationship between your wealth and welfare. Okay, clear? It was observed by many economists, बहुत सारे economists ने ये observe किया that wealth is not enough. किसी भी society के लिए wealth सिर्फ ज़रूरी नहीं है. Okay, उसके साथ साथ ह्यूमन वेलफेयर भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. ह्यूमन कितना सेटिस्फाइड है, उसकी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग कितनी है, पॉवर्टी कैसी है किसी भी नेशन में, राइट, ये सब भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्लियर? ओके. There are two types of welfare, that is economic welfare and social welfare. Basically, what is economic welfare? It is the riches of a nation, level of prosperity of an individual, group, or we can say that standard of living, utility obtained from wealth, goods and services. All these are the economic welfare. Economic welfare means in relation with, which is related to money. Okay, so that is economic welfare. So social welfare means it affects human welfare in a country. It is directly affecting the human welfare. It is like food, clothes, shelter, health, security, self-esteem, freedom. All these are related to your social welfare. Okay, so all this is your welfare. Now I hope that you have understood that what is welfare and what is wealth. Okay, then types of welfare. Okay, so basically in a society, the focus of attention moves from mere wealth to the welfare of the people of the nation. Okay, क्या हुआ बाद में, after some times the focus where the people were focusing on wealth only, but after some time they start focusing on the welfare of the human being. Okay, so this is all about your welfare. Okay, I hope that you have understood this. In the next video we will continue with the other topics. Thank you.